Hello, I'm George Thompson, a national spokesman for Better Health, a Better Way. And this is the Pedistal, a unique and very well-engineered device that provides several appreciable applications enabling nurses and caregivers to better assist in providing stress reduction, comfort, improved health, well-being, strength, and confidence to those that they care for, including themselves. One application is that of a footrest. Based on a study done for Volvo in 1976, sitting without a properly placed footrest can significantly increase undesirable disc pressure throughout the spine that causes the discs of the spine to dehydrate prematurely and cause premature loss of height and vitality. A properly placed footrest allows one to naturally breathe easier and promotes a wider range of head rotations that cannot be possible otherwise. Historically, a nursing stool has aided nursing mothers and caregivers of babies and young children for hundreds of years. A footrest is routinely provided with breast milking machines for lactating women to enable them to provide more milk in less time with increased comfort. Footrests are an ergonomical must if one hopes to survive the long-term use of desktop computers, watching television, or reading while seated, even without holding children. But not all footrests are created equal. The Pedistal is possibly the finest footrest available today for several obvious reasons. But please keep in mind that this device is not used for diagnosing or treating any condition. It's only used as a tool to assist in reducing common forms of physical discomfort and stress associated with less than ideal postural environments. The Pedistal's design allows one to sit on it while using a coffee table to eat from or to operate a laptop with. This unique therapeutic manner of sitting keeps the tailbone and sacrum airborne, thereby taking pressure off the discs of the spine. The reduction of pressure allows the discs to rehydrate and maintain natural flexibility and improve motion, as opposed to sitting on the edge of a sofa, as is commonly done. Another advantage of the Pedistal's design is that it allows one to place it on a chair and sit on it like a saddle, with or without a cushion. This postural possibility allows one's pelvis to open up naturally and allows the tailbone and sacrum to be airborne, thereby reducing harmful pressure to the discs of the spine. The postural choice permits lateral rocking exercises that are great for the lateral abdominal muscles and to stimulate the pancreas and other organs to assist in managing compulsive eating disorders. One can also use the Pinnacle accessory and a durable dual thermal gel pack to assist in minimizing menstrual cramps, certain forms of hemorrhoids, and discomfort associated with certain injuries and surgical procedures. Because of the inherent design of the Pedistal, one can also exercise the ankles and the muscles in the front of the leg in different ways to help reduce shin splints. One can also stand on it to fully exercise the calf muscles. The Pedistal can also be used as a device to assist in increasing one's reflexes and blood circulation. Simply place it with the apex of the arch on the floor so the two dowels furthest apart can support your feet. Rocking your feet like this for just a couple of minutes a day will sharpen your reflexes, strengthen the lower abdominals, and keep you walking with confidence that cannot be achieved in any other way. The yoga exercise, called the salutation to the sun when performed on the Pedistal, will provide a form of spinal traction that cannot be achieved in any other way. The Pedistal can also be used as a compromised stability device to assist in balance, core development, and reflex training for athletes at all levels. The Pedistal can also be used for rock and roll push-ups in a manner that will develop one's core stabilizer muscles while taking pressure off the wrists. By placing the Pedistal on a wall and leaning back on it, the arch is compatible with the normal lordotic curve of the spine. This is very relaxing and assists in reducing forms of common low back spasm. Doing bicep curls in this manner assists in restoring the normal curve of the back and assists in decompressing the spine at the same time. And by the way, the pedestal comes complete with 2 Regulation 3 PGA golf putting holes. The pedestal caloric cranial cradle assists in reducing certain forms of stress by providing a gentle form of pleasant dual thermal traction with stabilization for the cervical spine. Place a folded hand towel over one of the dowels furthest apart from each other, and then place a 6x10 dual thermal gel pack on top of it. This allows for a comforting fulcrum to place the top of one's cervical spine upon. With the head resting inside the pedestal and the neck resting outside of it, the gentle traction effect is unlike anything that can be duplicated in any other way. In addition, when the wrists are allowed to rest on the opposite dowel, the weight of the arms is sufficient to slightly increase the pleasant traction effect to the entire cervical and upper thoracic spine without feeling restricted. One can also increase the traction effect by gently pressing against the higher dowel, allowing the device to serve as a cam-like lever to further increase the traction effect and favorable tissue pull. The gel pack can be heated in a microwave for under a minute or frozen, whatever is necessary, to address the needs of the patient and/or the treating attendant. The pedestal's design also allows for an ideal 2-pillow sleeping system. The improved breathing potentials and digestion is well worth experiencing. Place a small pillow or a rolled up towel between the headboard and the pedestal so it won't slide away. Then place a regular pillow on top of the pedestal, and on top of that place a king-sized pillow. This sleeping and resting posture is ideal because it keeps the head higher than the heart and the heart higher than the stomach. This is the perfect position for operating a laptop or reading or watching television in bed. This concept promotes natural, deep breathing and lymph drainage when one sleeps on their side by not allowing the shoulder to press into the neck and trachea. The personal backstrap is a well-tested device that significantly assists in allowing the latissimus dorsi muscles to significantly elongate the spine, allowing various motions while being safely decompressed from the ill effects of gravity. Simply place the middle of the strap over a door that requires it to be pulled shut, such as a bathroom door in a hotel room. Place your hands inside the loop so the material rests on your hands and not the wrists, watch, or jewelry. Place your feet on the sides of the door jambs, sit back, mobilize the pelvis, and slowly glide from right to left for 2 repetitions. Use your legs and arms to pull yourself up and experience the sudden increase in vertical height and postural awareness. The backstrap is also effective and convenient for developing the biceps and core muscles without the use of weights. The pedestal, possibly the finest footrest available today at any price. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to contact pcc@posturizer@hotmail.com or phone us at 760-727-4488. I'm George Thompson. Enjoy and be healthy.